How to not end calls with power button in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option accessibility. Now click on accessibility and then scroll down. In physical and motor section you can see the option touch. Now click on touch and then scroll down and click on prevent lock to end call. If you want to not end call with power button, then simply turn this button off. After turning this button off, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.